Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on starting on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this sign we will search about REDnote app and we click. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.